Hello. Hello. This is Sabyasachi. Today in this video I will be talking about NLP. It stands for Natural Language Processing. Imagine you are talking to your phone and it understands what you say. Suppose you type something in Google and it already predicts what you are about to search. You receive an email to your email box, or it might be Gmail or your Outlook box. It automatically marks it as a spam or important. All of these can be possible because of natural language processing, a field of artificial intelligence that actually helps computer to understand, to interpret and to respond to human language. NLP here allows machine to interact with us using some words just like humans do. It is the technology behind some chatbots, some virtual assistants like the Siri, Alexa, Google Assistant, the automatic translation which Google Translate actually uses, the sentiment analysis, and even the fake news detection. Here the biggest question arises is, how does it work? So in this video also we will explore the world of NLP, how it is recognizing that this is important mail or what you are talking to your phone, everything, right? So how does the NLP work? NLP actually is a combination of linguistics. Linguistics means the study of language and machine learning. So computer do not understand our language very clearly. The way actually human do. For example, when we read a sentence, we understand its meaning by recognizing the words, the grammars, the context, right? But a computer first breaks down the sentences into the smaller parts such as words and punctuation marks, and then analyzes this using mathematically, right? So let's take a sentence. The sun is shining brightly. How the computer will process this sentence? So it will take this string as a whole, and after that it will be break down into the words which we technically called as a tokenization. The word is the sun is shining brightly, and then it will remove some unnecessary words from it, some stop words like shining brightly. Understanding the meaning means realizing that the sun relates to the weather and shining brightly meaning that it is a good weather. So this is just a small part of NLP I am talking about. So now let's move to the main components of the NLP. So NLP basically has two keys. Number one is the NLU, means the natural language understanding, which actually uses to teaching the computers to understand and extract the meaning from the human language. And number two is natural language generation, which we referred as NLG, means teaching the computers to generate the text and speech in a human-like way. For example, when you type a question into the Google, NLU means the natural language understanding helps it to understand what actually you are asking. Then NLG means the natural language generation helps to generate a relevant answers for you. So there are various important techniques available in NLP. The first is the tokenization, as I mentioned in my previous example, that when we read, we naturally recognize the word and sentences, but computer do not. So computers need to split the text into the individual parts to understand it better, right? So suppose machine learning is amazing. So the tokenization will be the machine, then the learning, then the ease, amazing. Suppose we are marking at exclamation mark, then this will be treated as the exclamation marks. Then the stop word removal, ignoring the common words. Suppose words like is, the, a, and appear in almost every sentence but do not add much meaning. So NLP systems usually removes them to focus on the important words, right? Suppose the cat is sleeping, so the and the is somewhere, some common word. So the main word will be the cat, and the sleeping means the system understands that the cat is sleeping, right? Cat sleeping. Number 3 point is the stemming and the lemmatization. Finding, and this means the finding the root words, right? Computers need to understand the core meaning of the words. Stemming means the cutting words down. Suppose example is running and run. From running to run, this is called stemming. And the lemmatization finds the dictionary form. Suppose example is suppose we are using what is as better. Better means it is good. Okay, so the number 4 point is the named entity recognition, which we refer shortly as NER. So finding the names, places, and date. If you need, Elon Musk founded Tesla in 2003, you instantly recognize that Elon Musk is a person and Tesla is a company, and computers use NER to do the same. Okay, so example is Barack Obama was born in Hawaii in 1961, suppose. So here person will be the Barack Obama, the location will be Hawaii, and the date will be 1961. Number 5 is the sentiment analysis, which actually used to detection the emotion within the texts. So have you ever wondered how social media platform detects some negative comments or some positive feedbacks? Actually here the NLP uses the sentiment analysis to determine if a text actually expressing a positive or a negative or any neutral emotions. Okay, so I love this product. We are typing this on Amazon, suppose on a headphone, that I love this product. This is a positive comment. And suppose in another any product we are writing like this, this is the worst product I have ever purchased from Amazon, and this is obviously a negative feedback. So there are various real life applications which are working on NLP, like chatbots, virtual assistant like Google Assistant, Siri, Alexa, and the Google Translates, spam filtering like the Gmail filters the by default spam emails to your spam folder, speech to text apps, suppose some voice to text conversion, some fake news detection, healthcare application to analyzing the medical reports and all. So there are obviously various challenges in NLP. So one of the challenges is the ambiguity. So words have multiple meanings. Suppose you are using the language of Bangla, of any Bangla, as we know, there are multiple meanings of any Bengali word. So ambiguity is a very biggest challenges of NLP. And some humor, sarcasm, AI very much struggles to detect the sarcasm. Oh, great, another Monday. So this is a very humor walabath, right? This is a very and the language diversity is a very biggest problem. So there are over 7,000 languages exist in our world. So each with the unique grammar rules. And the number 4 is the biasness. So suppose our AI is trained on a biased data, it may develop some biased responses, right? So the researchers or the developers actually continuously improve the NLP processes to make it more accurate, to make it unbiased, and to make it capable of handling the complex human conversions. So actually natural language processing is one of the most exciting fields in the artificial intelligence. So in our master degree projects also we used NLP to develop our project, and it enables actually to read, understand and generate human language, making AI more accessible and more interactive. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you so much.